Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to talk to you guys about selling merchant services or credit card readers, credit card terminals, point of sale systems, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to teach you guys how I've been doing it so that you guys can actually go out and do it yourself. So 50 days ago, I set out on this journey to actually sell credit card readers exactly like this one right here. And today I actually got a business owner who was interested and wanted one of these credit card readers. And I basically sold him on the idea of getting it from me. And this business owner is just a one-man shop. He has one little store and he does all the work inside of his store. And he's an auto mechanic, so he fixes cars. And this guy does about $8,000 per month in revenue just from fixing cars. And $8,000 per month in revenue is not a lot of money. And when it pertains to our commission on a monthly recurring basis, we're gonna make about 1% of his total sales. So he does $8,000 per month in sales. We make 1% of that, and that comes out to be $80 per month that we're gonna make. And $80 a month isn't a lot of money, but if you think about it this way, that $80 is gonna pay for my lunch for one entire week for every single month for the next 10, 15, 20 plus years, because that guy is using my credit card reader. And because I did that work that one time, it's gonna pay me for the next 10, 15, 20 years down the road. And just imagine if you keep finding business owners exactly like this, and every day you go out and you find another one. So today is just food for 1 week, but then the next business owner I find is gonna be for 2 weeks and 3 weeks, then for a whole month. And since it's monthly recurring commission, once I get all of those expenses paid for that one entire month, that means it's gonna pay for the next year, 2 years, 3 years, all the way down the road until they cancel or switch credit card processing companies. So although that one credit card reader is paying for food, right? Once you get enough businesses and you stack it, next is gonna be your car payment. Then it's gonna be your rent, and then maybe your mortgage. And then, you can keep stacking it up. And then once you have all of your expenses paid for, that's what's really gonna fund your lifestyle, especially if you like luxurious things like a super nice car, very nice house, fancy vacations. That is where that money is gonna come from, that residual income by selling credit card readers, point of sale systems, credit card terminals, whatever you wanna call it. And just to give you guys the summary of how the conversation went, I basically told the business owner that I have free credit card processing. So instead of going to Square or going to Bank of America and paying something like 3% per transaction, we could eliminate his credit card bill and bring it down from, instead of him paying a couple $100s per month, we can shrink it all the way down to just $50 per month. And then I further explained it's basically the same thing as going to a gas station. So when you go to a gas station, typically the gas station has two prices. They have a cash price and they have a card price. And if a customer pays for their gas with a credit card, that customer is paying for the credit card fee instead of the business owner. And that's the same reason why they're able to save so much money as a gas station business owner. So if you take that same exact concept and you bring it into this terminal and you bring it to whatever business, for example, the mechanic business, it's the same concept. So the customer pays for the item, and then on top of that, they pay for the credit card processing fee. So the business owner doesn't have to pay that fee out of their end. It comes out of their customer's pocket. And plus the customers get rewards on their credit card points anyways. And then once I sold him on that idea, I then told him that we could actually get this equipment to him for free. So instead of him going to Square or Bank of America and paying $500 for this, we could actually provide it for free so that he doesn't have to come out of pocket for it. Then once we mutually agreed that's what he wanted, that is when I started doing the paperwork. If you guys want to follow on that journey with me, make sure you watch video 1 right here, because it's going to explain the first 30 days of me actually starting this business and how I got 6 businesses to sell credit card readers to, and those 6 businesses are actually paying me a total of $1,000 per month. So it's not just for the food money, that's the money for the food and for the car. So click on that video right here, and I'll see you guys over there. Peace.